Utilizing advanced 5-axis CNC machining centers, we effectively reduce setups and maximize efficiency. Before machining, we use the tool setter for precise tool setting. This accurately positions the tool coordinates, ensuring machining accuracy within plus or minus 0.01 millimeters. The process begins with face milling to create a perfectly flat reference surface. Next is high-speed roughing. The end mill rapidly removes bulk material, carving out the basic shape of the component. Leveraging the tilting capability of the 5-axis trunnion table, we align the workpiece to the optimal cutting angle. This allows the tool to enter vertically for high-precision boring operations. This multi-angle capability eliminates the cumulative errors often seen in traditional refixturing, guaranteeing excellent concentricity and parallelism between features on different faces. Next is the drilling of dense hole patterns. For both mounting and locating holes, high-speed drilling combined with efficient coolant evacuation ensures smooth, scratch-free hole walls. With roughing complete, we move to precision finishing. By optimizing cutting parameters, we not only control dimensions, but also achieve a superior surface finish on the aluminum part. For the complex side profiles, we utilize side milling. This step is critical, especially for thin-walled or heat-sink structures, requiring strict vibration control to prevent deformation. Once the holes are formed, rigid tapping is performed. The spindle and feed axes synchronize perfectly to cut precise internal threads that meet standard tolerances. The final machining step is CNC chamfering. This is not just for aesthetics, but to remove sharp edges, facilitating safe handling and final assembly. Quality comes from process control. We perform immediate fit checks using pin gauges directly on the machine to verify hole tolerances in real time. Once all features are verified, the final cutoff operation separates this precision component from the raw stock. The same rigorous manufacturing standards apply to the machining of its mirrored counterpart. From roughing to finishing, we maintain strict consistency. This capability for consistent, high-precision machining is the core advantage of 3ERP in meeting clients' low to mid-volume custom manufacturing needs. The finished parts enter our climate-controlled inspection room. We utilize coordinate measuring machines to scan for geometric dimensions and tolerances. Combined with height gauges, thread gauges, and calipers, we guarantee that every single part delivered to you is flawless. From raw material to finished product, 3ERP delivers excellent, efficient, and economic manufacturing solutions.